Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add music in Canva video. So let's start. First of all, open the Canva app and log into your account. After you open the app, you will come to the home screen like this. You can either create a new video design or open an existing design. After you open the design, tap on the plus sign that you can see on the bottom left hand side. Then after go to uploads. Tap on audio. You can add music to your Canva video either by uploading it from your device or using the stock music from Canva. In order to upload it from your device, tap on upload files and then select the music that you want to upload. However, if you want to use stock music from Canva, then scroll in this menu and go to elements. Tap on the search bar and look for the sound that you want to add to your design. After you type the particular type of sound, scroll below in the results and you will find this audio section. Tap on see all on the right side of audio. Then you will find all the music available to use from Canva. Select any music that you want to use and tap on it. As you tap on it, the music will be added to your design. So in this way you can add music in Canva video. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.